Tailgate Talk fans, we're back in the shop today, and I've got a new toy here. I'm pretty excited about this. And what this is a seven-piece car polishing kit. It's an 11 amp motor. It's variable speed, as you can see here. Turn this dial here. It's got a little gauge here. It tells you it's going to go anywhere from 600 to 3,000 RPM. And this thing is really, that's really all it's good for, as far as I know, is polishing cars. And the reason I went with the Ironton, I got this at Northern Tool, and I'll provide some links below the video and in the show notes there. And so you can have a look at that. And the reason I went with this one, 79 bucks on sale, okay? I mean, you can't beat that. Normal price 99, that's not even bad. When you compare it to the Makita, which is going to run you about 300 bucks, and maybe even the high-end 3M car polishing kit, that's going to be over 500 bucks. Now, if I were in the car polishing business, yeah, I might do that, but hey, I'm weekend warrior here. And the reason I bought this one, another reason I bought it is because I bought a camper shell for my truck, and my Tundra is white, and the camper shell is gold. So I painted that, and now I've got it white, and now I'm ready to polish it. And so I just wanted to show you some of the ins and outs of this. So this is my my stop button for spinning here. And when I fill that lock in, got my tool here, lock that in, boom, I'm locked up, I'm ready to go. Let's see, what other features do I have? I have a lock trigger here. Squeeze on, lock the trigger there, boom. And the handle can go left or right, that's nice. It's got a little pad here so you can set it down. And then some of the other options are, again, 7-piece. Comes with one sheepskin bonnet, comes with one terry cloth bonnet, and then I can switch this out and I can put this disc on here. And this comes with some polishing pads. And this is a lock and hook system. Some people might call it Velcro. Oh yeah, that's nice and tight. So comes with 2 of those and the case, of course. But last but not least, comes with 5 towels. So that's real nice. I thought it was a really nice kit for 79 bucks. I'm gonna put it to use right now this afternoon and start working on my camper cover. And I'll finish this video showing you the kind of before and after results of using on the camper cover. And then of course, give you some pros and cons to this after using it. Well, friends, here's the camper cover that I was talking about. It's freshly painted, as you can see. Yeah, really not reflective, really dull overall. And so we're going to get after it with the polisher here. A little bit of gloss you see there is just water. Show you kind of the spin up and spin down cycle, just so you can get a sense of that. So as you can see, it's got a little bit of a delay on the spin up. Now let me show you something else when I'm polishing. Depending on how much pressure I put on it, it's going to drag down the polisher a little bit. Tailgate Talk fans, here's the final product. And this is not water you see glistening. This is actually the paint. So yeah, just kind of a side note, painted this myself, as you can see. Total redneck paint job out in the yard. And so that's a different story for a different day. But how I got there to this nice finish shine was I did this with the car polisher. This is the Meguiar's Ultimate Compound. I think I did about 8 coats, So it takes a while, takes some muscle, and then 2 coats of the Turtle Wax Super Hard Shell. I like both of these products. I've used both of them for several years. But hey, if you like what you've seen so far and you found it useful, I'd really appreciate you hit that like, subscribe, and mash that bell and do all that helps me keep going. I'd really appreciate it. So let's look at the motor. The motor part of this thing, I'm not making a living with this thing. It does everything that I wanted to do. I enjoyed using it. Didn't wear me out. I'm going to give it a B+. I mean, if I really had to complain about something, maybe it's this trigger right here where it's got this little rise on it, rubs on your finger. And that wore on my finger a little bit over time. But hey, no worries unless you got soft hands. And like my wife says, never marry a man with soft hands. Let's look at the accessory kit. And remember, I had a freshly painted camper clamshell that I was doing. So man, I put this thing through the paces. I used polishing compound and man, I really hunkered down on this thing and wore it out. And in spite of what it looks like, I think it held up okay. I used this bonnet for about 30-40 minutes, 3 or 4 coats of wax. It held up okay. Didn't use this. I just tried this on. I mean, that thing's rubber. I don't see any problem with that. And then it's got the steel insert, and the tool seems okay. I mean, I took it on and off 3 or 4 times. Could that break over time? Yeah, sure. Who knows? And then I didn't use this last polishing pad here. So, oh yeah, one key thing here. Remember, this is 7-inch. And I actually had some really nice 9-inch bonnets, and I didn't realize my good collection of bonnets was 9-inch until I started to use them. So keep that in mind if you've got existing bonnets already. 9 versus 7-inch. I'm probably gonna go with a new kit and spend a little bit of money on an upgrade and go with a 9-inch kit with 9-inch bonnets, so I can use the ones that I've got. So overall, this kit, it's okay. I mean, the occasional polishes on it, you're not going to wear it out. I'd give it a C. I'm going to give this a B+. Would I buy it again? Absolutely. Money well spent.